Welcome to the acid-base results simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the relationship between blood pH and blood gas using the Henderson-Hasselbalch formula. Start by selecting the practice mode or the test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers none. Review the patient chart. Then enter the appropriate values based on your review of the patient data. Select the Evaluate button to check your answer. Choose the New Patient button to evaluate a different patient. Make sure you've completed all work regarding the current patient before choosing to evaluate a new patient. Select the HH ratio button to practice calculations involving the Henderson-Hasselbalch ratio. Here, you'll first select the known values for a given problem, then solve for unknown values using the ratio formula. Once you enter all values into the screen, choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your calculations. Select the New Problem button to choose different known values for a new problem.